Hello my angels, today I'm going to review the Vanitycask सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स। ये एक मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स है जिसका प्राइस है 999 for 1 month and all the details are mentioned below in the description box. So let's get started. जैसे मैं इसे खोलती हूँ I saw some voucher. There's a voucher from Raw, brand Raw, and it's a 15% off voucher and the code is Raw Vanity. All the codes are listed in description box down below. And there's another voucher of ₹1000 from G Courier. And there is one more from Kaya. It's also a gift voucher of ₹1000 off. And the code is K. I think my camera is picking up. Yeah, I think so. KAYAVC 10946876. And this is a box. There's a description. What we call it, magazine. All the description of the products it's mentioned in this, and forgot to mention that it's a Monsoon Makeover. The theme for this box is Monsoon Makeover. So let's get into the box. So एक बहुत सुंदर सा पिंक कलर का pouch है and all the products are inside it. And the first product, it's a glamorous shampoo. It's a sulfate free 100 ml. It's a full size product and the price is $395. So it's a full size product. And the second is, oh wow, it's a Glamorous hair conditioner with pro vitamin B5 and tree tree oil. So जैसे हमें पता है कि ट्री ट्री ऑयल हमारे बालों के लिए, चेहरे के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. ये डैंड्रफ कंट्रोल करता है. So I'm really excited to try this. It's a paraben free also. This one is also full size product and the price is $355. Oh, it's nice to have a full size product. And then, oh wow, Votray, my favorite brand. This time we have a multivitamin face mask. It's a 30-gram product. And I just tell you the price. Let's mention. In this, the price 100 grams. The full size product of this is 100 gram. The price is 1260 euros. Actually, Votray brand, it's really expensive brand. It's a high-end brand. So this is the third product we got, and this time it's Nature's Co White Tree night cream. This time I hope my camera is picking up. And we have, so as we know, Nature's Co ऑर्गेनिक ब्रांड है. मैंने पहले भी इसके बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं and it's really a nice brand. And this one is, it's 25 ml. It's a sample size. It's a deluxe sample size. And the price mentioned for, and the full size product is of 50 ml and the price of the full size product is $995. And then next we have a Gulniar pumpkin face wash. Okay, we have a face wash, and I think it has a pumpkin in it. Yeah, this creamy pumpkin cleanser facial wash works double duty. It washes away surface impurities and protects skin moisture balance. So it's a nice product, and Gulnier is really a good brand. Mm, this one is just give me a second. The full size is of 60 ml and the price is 400, and we got in the boxes where it's mentioned 60 ml. So it's a full size product. Oh, it's looking small. It's a full size product. So this time we got 3 full size products. Oh, there's no more in the nothing in the bag. So this time we got 5 products here. It's a tray mask. Actually, we need mask, and especially in the rainy season my skin बहुत dull हो जाते हैं. So these all are the product which we got in this month's vanity cask. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.